tail's a little bit big, take your crescent and pull it to the side. Then pull the extra pieces on the bottom. Achoo! Achoo! That's weird. Right, and then you're going to take that, and you're just going to put a little piece of tape, and just wrap it around